the light that's in the air. Do you feel yourself getting light, floating away like a balloon to the moon? Turning away from the sun, trying to find someone who knows what you become. Don't you just find your way back home? We can't turn back now, taking off, nothing you can love. God, that'll be good alive. It's a good day to be alive. With everything, yeah, she's going home. Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. Yeah, she's going home. Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. Yeah, she's going home. Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. She's going home. Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. She's going home. Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home.
Samsung home entertainment experience and relentless innovative drive, combined with Harman Kardon's 65+ years of acoustic design expertise, bring you the ultimate home theater sound. Samsung Soundbar Q90R. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Three front plus 2 side firing channels. Deep bass provided by a dedicated woofer. 2 wireless rear sound speaker kits with 2 up-firing channels. And 2 additional front up-firing channels maximize the surround sound effect. All these support Dolby Atmos and DTS sound formats, providing a richer, more cinematic surround sound experience at home. The evolution of soundbar technology didn't just stop at audio development. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Wireless TV connection via Wi-Fi avoids the clutter of unnecessary wires for a clean, sophisticated look that's simple to operate. One remote for both your TV and soundbar at the same time. Game Mode Pro automatically activates when your game console is turned on. Up-firing speakers provide rich, optimized 3D sound for more exciting, immersive gameplay on your QLED. Adaptive sound automatically adjusts to optimal sound settings for sports, movies, and all other types of content you watch on your QLED. And when you need to watch TV quietly at low volume, dialogue can still be heard clearly.
Thomas, you're on your own, don't die.
Seamless HDR 10+ experience in immersive picture quality and rich, captivating sound for a truly next-generation viewing experience. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Samsung Soundbar Q90R.
YAMAHA once again brings you the ultimate home cinema experience. Introducing the YSP-5600, the world's first single-unit 3D surround sound system. The YSP-5600 will take you beyond your imagination, beyond your expectation, to a world of sound enhanced with new height channel speaker technology. The YSP-5600 uses a 32-driver speaker array to reproduce true 7-channel surround and an additional 12-speaker array to create an overhead speaker experience. Using advanced signal processing and intricate driver positioning to reproduce sound beams that reflect off walls and the ceiling, the YSP-5600 delivers coherent, multi-dimensional 3D surround sound. Regardless of your sitting position, projected sound beams combined with world-leading 3D surround sound technology will encompass you with the most authentic sound field reproduction. The result is a realistic and impressive sound field, bringing your favorite movies to life. The YSP-5600 also features MusicCast, providing wireless multi-room audio playback controlled by a simple app. Connect your YSP-5600 soundbar to your home Wi-Fi and access music from your favorite streaming services. Then simply add more MusicCast components in other rooms for the ultimate in whole home audio. To further enhance the sound experience, wirelessly connect a powered subwoofer with the optional SWK-W16 wireless subwoofer kit for deep bass found in today's movie soundtracks. Featuring 44 beam drivers, 2 woofers, advanced signal processing with height channels, and MusicCast wireless multi-room capabilities, the YSP-5600 will take your home entertainment experience to new heights.